Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear doctors, a very important video. I think the browsing to the internet and the vascular journal will completely change forever. I will introduce to you now a new browser called Comet. It is supplied by Perplexity, which really give a new development. It is free to download and free to use. Someone will say, what is the difference between the browsers that we use? Let me go to this is the clinical key, and this is the European Journal of Vascular and Endovascular Surgery, and this is the volume 70, issue 3, which issued on 1st of September 2025. Up till now, it's like a normal browser. But here is the difference. When you press on Assistant, it will open a side window. And this side window will see what you have in your window, and then it can read it and you can deal with it. So let me say what is the most interesting paper in this uh, journal. And then I press enter. Now it will go and read the whole issue, and you can see this is a reply based on the article listed. European Journal of Vascular Surgery, editor choice, activated clotting time, hyperonization during open abdominal aortic surgery is very important, of course, to read, and high level of plasma and the plaque. So you can see it have mentioned to you what is the most interesting is that you can review and ask about it. Let me ask, is there any paper on carotid artery? Now here, it will go to the journal, explore the issue. You can see when the window start to become blue, that means it is active. It is reading, and it can shuffle through the whole journal, because I think there was an article about carotid huge aneurysm. I think it was one. And you can see it will continue to search for any paper related to carotid. Not only this, but you can open the paper, you can ask anything about the paper, and you can see it is now back to the window. And yes, there is a paper related to carotid artery ingestion, high level of plasma plaque is related to carotid. And giant, yes, this is the one that I was reading about. Giant internal carotid artery pseudoaneurysm. This was very nice case which is presented for for this journal. And let me ask, what was the diameter of this giant internal artery carotid aneurysm? This I'm testing. It is not only able to detect what is the paper related to carotid, but it will go through the paper and give you the diameter, which is between 72 to 53 millimeter on the CT angiogram. You can see here you have the facility of not just a normal browser, but it is a very powerful tool for reading air journal. I've nearly stopped reading journals from just normal browser. Not only this, but it can work on your PowerPoint. It can work on your email. Again, email is very important to us. And if I sign in, let us say to my email, and then I will ask for assistant, and then which email I have not replied to. Now here, I will give an immediate access for it to go to my email, shuffle the page, and see if there is any mail that I haven't replied. And here is the emails that I have not replied upon from Microsoft and blah, blah, blah. Not only this, but it can open a specific email and it can also advise you regarding the reply. It can prescribe and unprescribe from any journal that you want to join. It has a huge amount of facility. I advise you to use it every day instead of your normal browser. It can navigate Excel sheet, Word document, everything, and it's really very advantage to doctors. I hope this lecture was of benefit to you. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon, and this is part of the series AI for doctors by doctors. Thank you very much.